Welcome to the incredible world of the human brain. Think of it as a super smart control center for your entire body. With a whopping 86 billion neurons, this amazing organ does everything from simple reflexes to super complex thinking. The brain can be broadly divided into several major regions, each with its own set of structures and functions. These regions work in harmony, allowing us to perceive and interact with the world, regulate bodily functions, experience emotions, and engage in high-level cognitive activities. The human brain can be divided into three major regions: forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Welcome to the brain's VIP section, also known as the forebrain. Let's take a fun tour through its star players. First up, we've got the rock star of the forebrain, the cerebrum. Picture this. It's the largest part of the brain, with left and right hemispheres. Meet the cerebral cortex, the brain's VIP lounge for super smart thinking. The cerebrum has some killer functions. It's your personal joystick for moving around. It's like the brain's own movie theater, processing everything you see, hear, and feel. Think of it as the brain's library, helping you solve problems and remember cool stuff. The next stop on our VIP tour is the thalamus. Hanging out in the center, just above the brainstem, this is like the traffic cop for sensory signals, directing traffic and sending sensory signals to the right brain areas. It also acts as your brain's alarm clock, helping you stay alert and awake. Now, let's chill with the brain's best friend, the hypothalamus. Chill in below the thalamus. It's connected to the pituitary gland through the hip hypothalamic pituitary axis. It is like a remote control for functions like heart rate and digestion. It acts as the emotional compass for crucial functions such as survival instincts, regulation of hunger, and management of thirst, and also as your brain's thermostat, making sure you're not too hot or too cold. And now, let's dive into the emotional hotspot, the limbic system. Found beneath the cerebrum, it's where emotions take center stage. Key players and functions include emotional processing and memory formation. The amygdala, your brain's drama director, deals with emotions like fear and joy. The hippocampus, your memory maestro, helps you remember the good stuff. The midbrain is located between the forebrain and the hindbrain. It's situated near the brain's center, just above the brainstem, connecting it to the spinal cord. The midbrain functions as a sensory integration hub, merging vision and hearing stimuli. In terms of motor coordination, it orchestrates voluntary movements. It also governs arousal, maintaining alertness, and rapidly filtering sensory information for swift responses. The hindbrain is the posterior part of the brain, located near the base of the skull, and it comprises three main structures: the medulla oblongata, the pons, and the cerebellum. Our first stop is the medulla oblongata, nestled at the base of the brainstem. It's the unsung hero, regulating vital autonomic functions that keep us alive. Here, the medulla oversees the rhythm of our heartbeat, controls our breathing, and manages blood pressure. Its role is so crucial that it's rightly called the life support system of our body. Moving up, we encounter the pons, a bridge between the medulla and midbrain. This relay station facilitates communication between different brain regions, ensuring seamless transmission of signals. In collaboration with the medulla, the pons regulates our respiratory system and hosts nuclei for cranial nerves, influencing facial movements and sensation. Lastly, we reach the cerebellum, the master coordinator located at the back of the brain. It's like a maestro, orchestrating our movements and maintaining balance. The cerebellum excels at coordinating voluntary movements, ensuring our muscle tone is just right for smooth and precise activities. It even dabbles in cognitive functions like attention. And that's a wrap for today's video. Click left for neuron structure or click right to understand the action potential's journey. I'll see you there.